Our lives are made of comforts belonging to home. Daily routines and habits are not just necessary. They are the very things that make life easier and comforting. They are the reason why being at home is pleasant. There is beauty in the mundane. Daily tasks, when accomplished with mindfulness, give moments of calm, relaxation, and peace of mind. Living on a farm and becoming a mother, I've learned to accept a bit of dirtiness and mess. I can't control everything, and it's okay. Tending to a plant is caring for life, and it gives a big sense of purpose, something we should all implement into our lives. I can only find happiness by finding balance between the time I spend indoors and the time I spend outdoors. Then the storm came, and all of a sudden, the comforts of home embrace a priceless strength and meaning. Within these walls, I feel safe. None of what is happening out there can touch me, apart from the beauty and peace of the moment. Rainy days are the perfect time for creativity in all its forms. The strange ambience in the air always favors my inspiration. Losing myself in the moment is the key to soothe my restless mind. It's another kind of comfort that I could never do without. When the sky quiets down after a storm, I can still feel the comforting embrace of this house. My home, the one that has become my rock. So, the rain always inspires me for some reason. This time I was inspired to paint this little notebook. This is my first notebook. It's a small notebook. It only has 16 pages. The idea was not to make a big one, but rather a small handy one that you can carry around with you everywhere. It was really fun to work on. I used a little bit of twine here, and it's watercolor and markers. I have a lot of notebooks. I always find a use for them eventually, so I'm a sucker for notebooks. You can even draw in it if you want, if you like drawing. Anyway, the idea was to write things down that are related to nature, but that's why I wrote this quote in the back. But you can do whatever you want with it. Just do something that is fun to you. It's in my shop. It's available in my shop. So I might make a print version of it to frame if you would like. So yeah, I see you soon. Bye.